Kia ora Year 12. This is a quick video looking at a 2009 exam question. The first part is about partial fractions and the second part is solving a differential equation. So in part 1, I feel like we've done that 100 times, so I'm just going to go straight to the answer, and it works out like this. It splits into 3 terms, not 2. So the tricky thing to remember is I want something over x plus something over x squared plus something over 10 minus x. Now I get 2 of those by substitution. Substituting x is 0 gives me one of them, one of b or c, and substituting x is 10 gives me the other one. So I end up with 10 here and 1 here. To get the last term, I need to match the coefficients, and when I do that, I end up with x equals 1. So that's the first part done. So it's 4 marks. If you've got questions on how I did that, just leave me a comment, but it's not worth going through more slowly, I don't think. Okay, so let's move on to the differential equation part. So you know that it's going to involve separating the variables. So starting off, we've got dx by dt is equal to 1 over 100 times x squared, 10 minus x. I'm going to move everything with x's over to the left-hand side, giving me, not surprisingly, 100 over x squared, 10 minus x dx is equal to 1 times dt. And now I'm going to integrate with respect to each side, and I'm going to use my partial fractions breakup to do the left-hand side. On this side, I'll integrate straight away and I get t plus c. Integrating the left gives me the natural log of x minus 10x to the negative 1 minus the natural log of 10 minus x. And that equals t plus c. So this is a good time to substitute in when t equals 0, x equals 1. That lets me get the constant. So what do we have? Well, we've got the log of 1 minus 10 over 1 minus 10 minus the log of 9 is equal to 0 plus c. So c is equal to negative 10 minus log 9. Okay, so nearly finished. We've got the constant integration and it worked out to be this. C was negative log 9 plus 10. So rearranging, we get the log of x over 10 minus x minus 10 over x plus the log of 9 minus 10 is equal to t. And we can still clean that up a little bit more. It's going to end up like this. So there you go. Thanks for watching.